Bursa'ya geldiğinde nere?
Ulu Cami var ya.
Ha,
Oke, sekarang
çarşıdan geldin sen buraya.
Çarşıdan geliyoruz.
kita mau ke mall. Near or far, sayang?
Center. Ya, center far.
Far away.
Peki abi, Efor'un oradan taksi var mı abi? Şu otogara.
Otogara mı?
Aynen.
Aynı durağı ararsanız şimdiki gibi aradığınız yer
Hı hı.
zaten hemen 200 metre yukarıda.
Tamam.
Orası çarşı.
Aksaray Big Mall.
Nah, tamam.
Also we buy belt. Ha, give to me. I put. You must prepare your kimlik, passport. Maybe ask in police.
Have police here.
Ya.
Jadi ini mallnya ya guys. Kita mau masuk ke dalam. Capek banget guys. Udah haus. Sampai aku juga udah haus, udah pengen cepet-cepet guys. Biasa berjalan. Jadi ini mallnya guys.
Hello, I need cold water ya.
Hot.
Cold water. Is here maybe huh?
Kita lagi cari minuman dulu katanya karena suami aku lagi kehausan.
I ask this guy.
Ah, this is ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream. You want?
You?
Huh? Yeah,
I want to water.
What is this?
Water have?
Sana sağ olsun abi. Buyur abi.
Kita beli minum dulu karena kehausan guys. Nah, di sini banyak makanan. Now where we will go?
Hocam, yemek nerede burada? En üst katta. Eyvallah abi.
Uch.
Üçüncü kat, ya. Miko,
Dan jadi minumannya makanannya itu ada di lantai 3. Jadi kita harus naik dulu lift. Suami aku kehausan guys. Dia udah ujian. Terus aku tanyakan ujiannya gimana, terus dia bilang sangat-sangat memusingkan guys. Aku udah lapar banget nih. Udah nggak kuat, pengen makan karena aku nggak sarapan dari rumah guys. Kan kita berangkat jam 5 ya. Jadi
Feng Shui.
Hah?
Feng Shui, you know?
No.
Feng Shui. I also not know.
Jadi suami aku ngelawak guys. Sini tuh banyak sayang.
Open. Come. First we eat food and after we visit.
Don't drink my water.
But you drink my water.
I'm only a little bit.
Okay, I only little bit.
Fuck you. Where is Popeye?
Coming upside.
Again we need.
Sabaro. Yeah.
I think I will searching which one, okay?
Okay, coming.
Which one I will eat.
You all of them.
Visit.
Video. Visit.
Tamam.
But my favorite, you know.
Burger King. Start from where?
Start from.
From there, from there. Ini stand makanan semua ya. Ini waffle.
This is sweetie, waffle.
Bu ne?
This is usta pideci.
Ah.
Usta döner, arbi.
This is Turkish food.
No, Sabaro. All of them. This döner, pide, everywhere.
Yeah, Turkish food.
Yeah.
This is doner.
Arby's and Subway in here.
Subway. What is Subway?
Subway means sandwich, long sandwich.
Sandwich.
Yeah.
This
This hamburger,
I
only
only.
meat hamburger.
Okay. Which is?
This chicken donut.
Kofte.
This is pide.
Pide.
This all of them. This Mabel restaurant. Other Mabel in here eating. In Mabel in here eating.
In there still have.
What still have?
This is also food.
Yeah, food. We visit, yeah. You know, Burger King.
Burger King.
We always eating in Ankara.
Yeah. My battery finito. Later we buy this one.
This is sweetie place. Called. This is
Döner.
Döner. In Aksaray firma. In Aksaray company.
Aksaray.
This city company.
Aksaray doner.
Lahmacun.
Lahmacun. Lahmacun, this is same like pide.
Same like pide, yeah. This is kumpir. You know kumpir?
I don't know.
Potato inside
This-
kasha. Yeah.
This is like tavuk
Tavuk
dunyas.
dünyası. Yeah. This is
Pide.
again, but Aksaray company.
Tamam.
And Aksaray still have two company. Pide and World Döner.
This is Popeye.
Popeye.
Tafada fafuk.
Popeyes make you like online order. You order at inside and payment.
Tamam. This can be payment with your card.
Yeah. This is big hamburger.
Big yeah. This.
This is like this.
This is like-
Chicken.
Yeah, like tavuk dunyas, right?
Yeah.
Same like this. But using
And this is this. Huh?
using this noodle.
Tabii anlamadım en şey yabancı. Pizza mı? Is here pizza. And this is Turkish traditional food. Tantuni.
What is it?
Tantuni.
This is still same like pide, like this.
No pide.
I mean,
No pide. Yeah, like. And this here my favorite. Osman. This my favorite İskenderiye here.
Bursa.
Yeah. And this is child place.
Jadi ini suasana mall yang paling atas. Yang paling atas ini makanan ya guys. Dan ke bawah kurang lebih ada 4 lantai. Dia ngantuk guys. Udah beres makan padahal. Tambah lagi es krim. Ngerti lagi sama suamiku. Jadi suamiku udah pesan 1 es krim. Dia udah pesan juga 1 paket burger, 1 paket. 2 paket ya guys, 2 paket Burger King.
Give to me this.
Dan sekarang dia mau lagi es like kayak gini guys. Gimme es warna-warni. Aku nggak tahu ini enak apa enggak. Aku cobain. Karena dia udah habis es krim 1 cup guys. Cuma cukup.
Now, turn to me. Come
Ini
back.
enak banget guys.
Yes.
Karena di sini panas banget. Itu lantai paling atas ya guys. Dia udah berapa kali beli es krim, es, belum lagi cola yang gede. Udahlah, perutku masih kenyang. Dia udah pengen nambah-nambah terus. Aku lagi mengumpulkan tenaga untuk berjalan guys, jalan-jalan sekitar mall karena aku habis makan dan kenyang. Jadi aku belum punya tenaga untuk berjalan guys. Basically kiban. Kita mau turun guys. Kita mau jalan-jalan.
What?
Ribbon. Menit 10 Turkish lira, 8 menit 20 Turkish lira. Nah, 10 Turkish lira itu sekitar 5.000 ya guys. Dia pengen nyobain. Aku juga mau cobain. Apakah bisa? Ah, bisa guys. Udah, tuh 4 menit. You are relief, right? Too much good? Nah, jadi di sini tuh ada menitnya ya guys. Nah, nanti bakal habis sendiri. Enak banget dia. Aku nunggu dia sampai beres guys. Too much comfortable. Finito. Nah, giliran aku guys. Suami aku masukin uangnya dan enak banget guys. Dan ini tuh bergetar semuanya. Jadi pijatnya itu dari atas sampai bawah. Maksudnya kaki pun dipijat guys. Jadi bukan cuman badan aja, jadi sama kakinya juga. Jadi rasa pegelku hilang guys. Oh. Oh, fuck. Why this is too much pain in downside? Yang bawahnya sakit banget guys. Oh. This is pink. Jadi kita mau main ini. Nah ini tuh kalau yang hijau uang, biru happy, kuning hadiah, red merah love, putih
Health.
sehat, orange
Success.
sukses. Oke, kita buka dulu uangnya di sini. Ini tuh 2 lira. You can open.
2 lira.
Not good. Not too much good. Gimana cara mainnya? Dimasukin 2 lira. Hah? Money?
No. This.
But this is have money here. Sukses. This is bubble gum.
Yeah.
You say not bubble gum, yo.
We want?
I won. But I play.
What? Yeah.
Like this. Dapat warna oranye guys, berarti bakal sukses. Can we? Ya aku dapat komentar try. Warna oranye berarti sukses. Sayang, I want to buy like this. Ini mangga di sini kayak gini, guys. Tapi nggak enak rasanya.
70. Oh my god.
How is this? Huh?
I think you finish video, so I can't finish for this chocolate.
Aku mau cobain coklat, guys. Jadi dalamnya itu ada strawberry, ada bubble, ada coklat. How much price?
50.
25.000 guys. $50 sendiri. Jadi harganya itu 25.000. Dalamnya isinya ada strawberry sama pisang. Dan coklatnya ini lumer banget ya guys. Segede gini. Kecil banget kan guys. Kecil banget, 25.000. Oke guys, sekarang waktunya kita pulang. Ini udah sore, jam 6.30. Aku udah lelah banget. Semoga hasilnya nanti bisa memuaskan ya guys. Di sini aku bisa charger HP. Dan aku di nomor 3 ya guys, dekat jendela. Sekarang kita berangkat dari Terminal Aksaray.
Makan 16 numara. Bueno.
Di sini hujan guys. Hujannya lumayan besar. Kita nyampe juga. Itu jam 7.43 ya guys. Jam 8 malam. Dan karena lagi summer jadi masih terang ya guys. Dan di depan itu suamiku bentar lagi mau nyampe guys. Makasih udah ngikutin kita seharian ini. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe.